I requested to the committee of Caribbean, and a few months later, they approved us, and we were representing the African continent. Then since 2010 that we are in Caribbean and we are in African Pavilion.
Awesome. So basically, how do you go about organizing to get the representation that we need there?
We have all, like, we would like to have all countries representing. But now what we have is only the sub-Saharan countries. But we would like to have all, country like West African, East African, or North African. That is the whole continent. Africa is a beautiful continent.
Africa is such a diverse country.
Yeah.
It's a very cultural diversity that we bring to the table, the experience of food and culture. So tell me, if we want to get involved, how do we go about it?
You can check our website or Caribbean website. We will find our information. But we would like to have volunteers too to be involved, because we always need volunteers to help. As I said, Africa is not a country, is a continent. Then we need volunteers for all over the continent. If they can be involved, it will be, they're always welcome.